not quite even 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm already on my 3rd cup of coffee. This cup says future father on it. Obviously, it was a gift while I was still pregnant for my husband, not me. But anyways, it is officially fall time, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fall haul for you guys. I know that you guys love the try on hauls, so I did try on every piece that I'm going to be showing you guys today. Thank you for sponsoring this video to Hot Miami Styles, for hooking your girl up. The light in my closet just randomly decided to turn on, a little bit creepy. In case you guys hear any type of background noise, my mom is actually out in my living room right now. She is babysitting my little one. I tried to film this video while I put him down for a nap, and I feel like he just knows when I'm filming it. He just was not having it. Anyways, everything that I try on in today's video, I'm gonna have linked down below, sizes and everything. So without further ado, let's hop into this haul. So the first things that I'm going to show you guys are some cover-ups, because I feel like these are so staple for me during the fall time going all the way into winter. But what I want to do is show you guys right here very quickly what I wear underneath any type of cover-up that I'm wearing. So it's kind of like my little uniform. I cannot tell you guys how many black tank tops and black leggings that I have, because they really just suck everything in. They go with everything, and I love these little black booties. These are by Madden Girl, I believe, and I got them at Macy's, and I apologize for the diapers on the floor back there. So just so you guys can see what I will be pairing under these cover-ups, this is a stretchy tank top. This is actually also from Hot Miami Styles. I ordered this a few months ago. And then underneath all of my leggings, you guys, I'm hoping that you can see that all of my leggings are high-waisted. Again, I just feel like it helps to sculpt everything in. I don't have any type of muffin top. Well, you know, I still have a little bit of a mom pooch going on, but come on, I just had my baby 4 months ago. And then I have these super opaque black, not tights, black leggings. So that is my staple for underneath all of these cover-ups, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I pair a cover-up. Alright, so here is the very first one that I want to show you guys. I really love where this one hits. You can see that it goes all the way down to about my ankles, but I can still get away with this if I want to wear flat booties. I really don't have anything in this color, and you guys know when I really like something, I order it in multiples. So I'm actually going to show you this same exact cover up, just in another color next. But this one here is like a beautiful mauve type of color, I guess you would call it, and it has a waffle cut texture or design, I believe is what it's called. And I just feel like this is so pretty. I feel like this is so simple to throw on in the morning and still look like you care. And next up, I'm going to show this to you guys in a beautiful wine color, which is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go get into that now. Can you guys see that? It's like a gorgeous wine burgundy color. It kind of matches my nails, which are a little bit on the ratchet side. Oh my god, you guys, it is so hard to schedule time to go in for a fill when you have a baby. Just saying, but look how pretty that is. I absolutely love it. I feel like this screams fall and cozy, cold weather. So cute. Here is a quick little once over. I feel like if you pair this with some statement gold jewelry, I feel like gold would go really, really nice with this outfit. And I just realized that I have my old pregnancy pillow in the background. It's comfortable, guys. No shame in my game. But how cute is this? I love it. You guys, side note, but this is one of the first times since giving birth that I am not wearing a nursing bra. I'm wearing one of my old bras, so I'm feeling extra boobylicious in this video, but that's okay. Anyway, so look at this, you guys. This is so out of my comfort zone. This is actually the first time that I am wearing anything in this leopard pattern, and I actually ordered 2 items in this haul that are this beautiful leopard pattern, so you guys can see that it is very sheer. And let me give you guys a full shot. I mean, come on, you guys, cute or not? Like, I feel like this looks so put together. I love how it has a little belt right here, so it cinches my waist. And again, it goes to a similar length. It's a little bit shorter than the others, but I feel like this, it creates the entire outfit. Like, it's so easy to look put together, to look like you cared in the morning when you got ready, but seriously, all you're wearing is a black tank top, black leggings, black booties, and a little cover up. Okay, you guys, so this one is another little leopard number, and it's in that same kind of like slinky, silky type of fabric. And basically this one is a wrap top top. Let me get my hair out of the way. So again, I would pair this with everything that I just had underneath for the other two outfits, just a simple black tank top and some simple black leggings. Growing up, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my grandmother would rock a lot of leopard. She actually still does. My grandma is like a really cool granny. She always has bright red nails and leopard. So it kind of reminded me of her, but I'm like, leopard is not a granny thing, you know? I feel like it's just my grandma that it reminds me of. And I love the sleeves as well. They're kind of like a balloon sleeve right there. So I'm feeling this. Oh my God, you guys, 100%. This is my favorite so far of everything that I'm showing you. And it looks even better than I was imagining. So it has this gorgeous, I think this is like an emerald green type of shade. It looks like my camera is pulling off a little bit blue, but it's definitely like a jade, oh my God, like a beautiful emerald color. And it is a wrap dress, very flattering on the booty. And I wanted to show you guys both with tights underneath, with black tights, and then also without tights underneath, depending on, you know, if you're going to something a little bit more formal, definitely would want to show a little bit of leg, but I feel like you can get away with this during the daytime as well. Since I'm in the middle of getting undressed here, I just wanted to show you guys up close the boot that I have been pairing with everything. These were like $35 at Macy's, you guys, and they're by Madden Girl, so I believe that's like the cheaper line or the younger line for Steve Madden, but I really like these. So freaking comfortable. I feel like these are more comfortable than flat boots for me. Okay, I must really freaking love you guys because I have a thing about stepping on bare floors. It skews me out so much, but I did not grab the right type of shoes that I would wear if I was not wearing this with tights. But I just want you guys to see what the dress looks like. I actually do think that I like it. Why? I can't do that. I can't, seriously, have I lost my balance that much that I can't hold that pose without falling? The dress overall has a lot more of a dressier vibe when I don't pair it with tights, and that probably is the way that I would wear it because like I told you guys, I would wear this to like a little Christmas party because I feel like it's still warm. It's not like an uncomfortable dress that I have to tan my whole body. Like I could do this. I could do this during the fall time or the winter time. I love this dress. I'm so glad that I picked this one out. Next, I have another dress that I'm going to hop in for you guys. So let me go get that on. All right, you guys. So I honestly feel like Hot Miami Styles knows exactly what they're doing when they design their clothing, because this was another dress that I'm like, I'm not sure if I can get away with it because since I just did give birth, again, I'm not trying to sound like a broken record, but I did give birth 4 months ago. I have a little bit of that mommy pooch here, and this is me like wearing a support thong underneath, so it's still sucking it in a little bit. But the way that this dress is cut, it has these ties right here. They come from the middle of the dress and they tie right across the smallest part of your waist right there, and then this little bow right here. I feel like it completely camouflages anything that I might feel a little bit insecure about. So let me show you guys what this little number looks like right here. This is a dress, honestly, you guys, I don't know. I feel like I'm the type of person that people tell me that I'm kind of like a little bit more dressed up than the average person from day to day. That's just how I've always been since high school. But I do feel like this is a dress that you could get away with during the daytime. I mean, if you had to go to a nice little fancy party, you could probably get away with it as well, but for me, I think that this is more of a daytime dress for me. I want to let you guys know I actually forgot to tell you guys my sizes. So everything that I ordered from Hot Miami Styles, I got in a size large, except for the emerald dress that I just showed you guys before this one. So the same for any of the cover-ups and the tops that I'm about to show you guys. Everything else is in a size large, except for that green dress. That one was in a size medium. So here is what the dress looks like from the side. And again, I just paired them with the same little booties that seriously go with everything. Okay, so very quickly, 2 things that I want to mention about these bodysuits. I really do think that they are key to making your waist look extra snatched. It's just something about having the bottom of your shirt tucked in so neatly to your pants, it really does help to, like I said, make you look extra snatched. I have not worn one in the longest time, again, because I couldn't find any that made it accessible to breastfeed. So I am so happy that I found this one. I did get it in 2 different colors. I'm gonna show you guys the other color in a second. But there is one thing that is a complete deal breaker for me when it comes to bodysuits, and that's the type that don't snap open in the crotch area. So many of them kind of are built like a bathing suit, and you have to take off your entire top and roll it down. And a lot of times I will have something over it, so I'll have to take that off. That is a deal breaker for me. If they do not have little snaps in the crotch area, I don't care how cute it is, I will not wear it. I do not have that problem with this bodysuit though, because it does have me covered. So really quickly, this is what the top looks like right here. And they did have it in that gorgeous emerald color, so you guys already know, yes, I did pick it up. So throw this over there, and the pants that I want to show you guys, I'm really hoping that my camera can pick up the detail here. I think I'm gonna have to flip my camera around, but they are actually palazzo pants. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like in the bottom. They are a straight leg all the way, so they're not skinny legs. To be honest with you guys, I probably would not pair these with this shirt. I would go with something a little bit more simple on top, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to pair them with this top and show you guys. Look at this detail at the top, you guys. It has like this little ruffle that kind of just pokes out. Okay, sorry you guys, my camera overheated for a second, and now I have my husband chilling in the back. But this is what the side of the pants look like. That ruffle doesn't continue onto the back, it just kind of has this flat panel up above the booty. They have pockets that are real, and even though they look a little bit on the dressy side, they are a sweater material, so they're very comfortable. I know that it's hard for my camera to pick up black, but I definitely love these a lot. All right, you guys, and this is the very last outfit that I'm going to be showing to you. So this one again is another bodysuit, and you can see it just tucks very nicely into the top of my jeans here that I'm going to be showing you guys in a second. This is also another bodysuit that does have the snaps in the crotch area, so you don't have to take off your entire bodysuit when you go to the bathroom. And this one is breastfeeding accessible. That's what I'm going to call it, because I am able to breastfeed with this one on because it is so stretchy. And as far as the pants, these might look familiar to you guys because I actually did haul these. I'm going to show you guys a faraway shot in a second, but I actually did haul these in my last Hot Miami Styles video, but I got them in the wrong size. So my last video, I thought that I could squeeze my butt into a size 5. No, not a size 5, a size 7. And this time I ordered a size 9, and I feel like I'm just barely fitting into them. They definitely are on the stretchy side, so I can get away with it, but these might have to be my goal pants. Once I hit my goal weight, they'll be able to fit a lot more comfortable. But anyway, let me show you guys what they look like. These are my favorite style of pants because you can see that they are very high-waisted, and they just help to hit at the perfect point of your waist and just shape your body a little bit more. Again, you guys can see that I'm like just barely fitting into these. So I think I could still get away with it though. And very quickly, you guys, I almost forgot, I wanted to throw in this jacket right here because I have been getting a lot of questions on Instagram as to where I got this jacket. So I am going to leave the website down below. But you guys can see that it pairs over a simple outfit just like this. It makes a statement. I am very much into statement pieces instead of piling and what's the word that I'm looking for? Instead of layering, because nowadays I just don't really have time to do that as much as I did back in the day. So I really like pieces like this that just make a statement. It has this fur throughout the entire hood and the inside of the jacket into the sleeves as well. So this is so cozy, very perfect for fall, and definitely a piece that you guys will see me reaching for a lot. All right guys, and I hope that you love everything that I showed you in today's video. Definitely let me know down below which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram. A lot of you guys know that I'm a little bit addicted. I'm on there every single day. My stories, they're always popping. And now it's time for me to get back to mama duty. I love you guys all so much. The next couple of videos that I have coming out, I have an updated skincare routine because it has changed once again, and also another day in the life of a first-time mama because a lot of you guys enjoyed those videos and you want to see another one. So I am currently working on both of those. I'm so sad I don't really have the time to film the way that I used to, so when I do stand here and film for you guys, or when I'm in front of the camera, I don't want to shut it off. I will see you guys very soon. Mwah. With my broken nail. I know. Bye.